Too old for this. The only thing I got to look forward to, well, so far, trying to get back to work, which is primary. I don't know how that's going to happen. But going on a cruise and getting down in some warm climates. I think I'm done with winter right about now. But first,
I don't know why you're so...
The infamous, what is it, kids?
It's the... Yes, it is.
Being Polish, I could say this. My Polish lawnmower. Here we go.
I think you're going to need a bigger lawnmower.
I think so.
Isn't he doing such a good job? Come on, push! 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 You go, boy! What is that Lawnmowe baby got? It's always a fun time in Chicago. Oh, neighbor's gonna like that.
I said, oh, it's all right, it'll thaw out.
In March.
I do need a bigger
lawnmower. All right. Goodbye, Mr. Polish guy. What? Yeah. That's our neighbor Ishmael. If you could see him over there, there he is. He's knee deep, thigh deep. I know. Where's the ice skates? All right. He's already done all this, but it's still fun to look at. It's really quite balmy out here. A cool, maybe 20-some degrees. Supposed to be dropping to -20. Ah, good old Chicago. You just never know. What's today's date?
Safety first. I always shut off something that could rip your fingers off before you go the other way.
Ah, you're no fun.
We're number one. No, not.
Here he comes, the attack of the
Alright, coming in.
winter lawnmower. The winter Polish lawnmower. Ah! Ah, look at that snowfly. Snowfly, don't bother me. Snowfly, don't bother me. Found some grass? All right. Okay. You're hitting me. Okay. People trapped in the hot tub. Oh! I don't know why he's re-snowing the snow. Is it snowing? Here's what's left of our tent. All busted up in the corner. Uh-oh. I think it's a one-way lawnmower. Ah! Okay, with that ending, i.e. my butt in the fence, say goodbye, Polish guy! As usual.
We have indeed verified there's still grass under all this.
Okay.
Just a little experiment from our old Uncle Artie. All right.
The Polish lawnmower guy.
Polish lawnmower guy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.